guys, today I'll show you how to put a watermark over any image, and it's really easy. Let's jump into it. Okay, so we're on the computer now, and just take your image that you want to use and right click it, hit open with Photoshop. 2021 is what I'm using, but you can use anything. We'll let that load. Okay, just hit open for now. We're not doing any editing right now. Okay, so here's your image, and essentially what you want to do is, first I'll show you what to do if you have a logo, and then I'll show you what to do if you just don't have a logo but you want to put a watermark on it anyways. So we'll go into Finder, and then we will just go to pick a PNG that you have, and then we can drag it on. So here's what we have. It's white. If you want to change the color, you can do that. Like, let's say you have a really light image, you want to make this black, you can do that as well. But let's click this and hit Command T. And then also, I'm on a Mac right now, so Command T if you're on a Mac, but if you're on a Windows computer or anything else, hit Control when I say Command. Okay, so Command T lets us be able to move this around or rotate it and switch the size. So let's just say we want this logo here, just right across the image. We can do that. So then we hit Enter, and then we can click on it again if you want, and we'll go into layers. So now you can see we have the background right here, and then we also have the white text, which is this, which will be our layer. So then we'll go down here, and we're in layers. We'll hit the down arrow and then go to opacity, and we'll drag it around. So let's say we want to do 25% opacity. We'll hit Enter, and then that's what we have. Again, if you want to make it a little bit bigger, Command T or Control T, and then you can make it a little bit bigger. So that's essentially the easiest way to make a watermark on your image. Another thing you can do, let's say you don't have a logo. I'll just delete this for now. We can use text as well. So for example, we'll use a text. We use a text tool. Oops, oh, there we go. And then we'll just do I'll do all caps. Watermark. Okay. Okay, so now we have the watermark here. And let's say that, again, we want to use it here, but we want to change the opacity. So we just go again to layers. Then we have the watermark, and we'll do the drop down and then slide this all the way to whatever you want. I feel like 25 is a good, or maybe 20. So we'll do 20 here. And again, we can move this around wherever we want. Let's say we have an image of a face right here. We want to put the watermark right over the face so people can't steal it. We can just do that. So this is the easiest way to do a watermark. It's really simple, right in Photoshop, and then I'll show you guys how to export it. So we'll just go to File, and then we'll do Export as. Here, we'll do it as an image. And then we will export it. And let's just export it to desktop. Okay. So then here we have, let's see the desktop. Oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. Then we'll open this up, and then there you go. You have the watermark right on it. No one can copy the image because it has the watermark. And I think normally you'd put your logo on it, but yep, that's everything. Thank you for watching, and hit the like if you liked the video. All right, bye.